I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a credit card on Splitit is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Splitit app or website and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. Once logged in, go to the payment methods section from your account dashboard. This is where you can manage your cards. Step 3. Add a new card. Click on the Add New Card button. You will be prompted to enter your credit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Step 4. Verify your card. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sh.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Save changes. Once your card is verified, make sure to click Save to ensure your card is added to your account. You should see a confirmation message once it's successfully saved. Now you're all set. Adding a credit card on Splitit is quick and easy, so you can start using your account without any hassle. If you run into any issues, just double check your card details or reach out to customer support. Happy shopping!